We've been in business since 1965. My father was an employee down the CNR, and he bought the first old backhoe to subsidize his income. We started getting really busy, and things took off. So in 1974, JCB came to Nova Scotia. So then we bought JCBs basically ever since. We've had them for 50 years now. We have currently have 5 JCBs. We have 4 4CXs and 1 3CX. The 3CX is a 70th anniversary model, and I think if I'm correct, there's only 2 of them came to Canada. They are a good product. They're just a good backhoe. Oh yeah, I think we'll be doing business with JCB for a long time. To provide a good machine, a good product support. They're the ideal candidate for what we do. You know, maybe we'll look forward to buying an 80th anniversary machine.